Hi guys, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing questions of Bharatiya Darshanam. Before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclohub is providing the PDF and the handwritten assignments of all the questions of paper. So if you want these, you can contact us on our number. Or this number is 900 is 9368238. Now questions of this paper is 1, 2, 3, which are all about 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 100 to 150 words, and question number 6, which is a project based answer. You can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here that you can see, and for your information, we have not solved this paper. We have solved other papers also. If you want these all the papers of answers, so you can contact us anytime, so we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.